Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Ford Territory, stock number 5995. This ran from 04-2011 to the 12th 2016. Has a 2.7 litre 6-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2.7 litre 6-cylinder diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory Automatic tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Automatic tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Automatic tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard no dents. Right front 18-inch factory Automatic tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.